Hello everyone. Today I will be talking about the conversation between the customer care representative and me because of my refrigerator. Customer care representative. Hello, Whirlpool Services. How may I help you, ma'am? Me. My refrigerator is facing some problems in cooling. From how many days are you facing these problems? From last 2 days I am facing such problems. Is your refrigerator still in the warranty period? Yes, sir, it is still in the warranty period. Please give me a copy of a bill and just show me the original bill. Yes, sir, take it. Are you facing such problems frequently or is it from the last 2 days only? Sir, we are facing these problems from the last 2 days and it can be because of the fluctuation of power. Ma'am, if this is the case that you are facing such problems from the fluctuation of power, you should go with the stabilizer, and if you are not using the stabilizer then you will face such problems frequently, and your fridge will and your refrigerator will not support and will not be long lasting. Okay, I'll discuss it with my parents and then we can go with it. Okay, you shall discuss it with your parents. Then I had discussed it with my parents and then we were ready for the stabilizer. He went to the shop and then took the stabilizer along with him. He put the stabilizer and then told us that for the cooling we have to put a refrigerator most probably on normal mode and not on minimum freeze and deep freeze. We should try keeping it on normal mode, and if in some emergency cases we can do or change the modes. We He had done all his services, then we asked for the charges and he told us the charges, and then we said thank you to him and then it was over. Thank you.